And we are all here to enjoy, to have fun, and of course, para experience na ito ginawag nga the true spirit, the true essence of Inilusan in the municipality of Mambusaw. So without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us start our program with a prayer to be played on the air, of course, to be followed by our national anthem, Kapisin, and Mambusaw hymn. We would like to request everyone to please rise.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering us all today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessing upon each family. May we honor one another by keeping